rewarding and healthy activity, and it's something that many people have started to enjoy, especially in recent years. Whether you have a garden, a balcony, or even just a sunny windowsill, there are several easy-to-cultivate vegetables that can thrive. Ready to start your vegetable garden? Ensure your chosen vegetables receive the right amount of sunlight. Most vegetables need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. Use good quality potting soil for container gardening. Water your plants consistently but avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Consider using organic fertilizers to nourish your plants. Protect your plants from pests and diseases with natural or organic solutions. Regularly harvest your crops to encourage further growth. Remember that while growing your own vegetables can be a fun and rewarding experience, it's essential to research the specific requirements of the vegetables you want to grow, and be patient with the learning process. With a little care and attention, you can enjoy the taste of homegrown produce and the satisfaction of nurturing your own garden, no matter the size of your space. Now I am taking a moment to thank you for subscribing to my channel. Your support motivates me to create more content that you'll love. I'd also like to encourage you to leave a comment and let me know what you think of the video. Your feedback is invaluable and helps me improve my content. Thank you again for your support. Chamomile is indeed a versatile herb known for its various therapeutic properties. I am introducing some of the common uses and benefits of chamomile. Digestive health. Chamomile tea is widely used to alleviate digestive issues, such as indigestion, upset stomach, and gas. It can also help with more severe conditions like gastric ulcers and diarrhea due to its anti-inflammatory and calming properties. Sore throats. It can also provide relief from sore throats and throat irritation when consumed or used as a gargle. Its anti-inflammatory and soothing qualities can help ease discomfort. Menstrual pain. The tea is often used to relieve menstrual cramps and discomfort. Its muscle relaxant and anti-inflammatory effects can help reduce pain and promote relaxation. Anxiety and sleep. Chamomile is well known for its calming properties, which can help reduce anxiety and promote better sleep. It can be consumed as a tea before bedtime to relax the mind and body. Anti-inflammatory and antibacterial. Its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties make it useful for treating skin inflammation and minor wounds. As mentioned, you can use it as a compress or an ointment form to soothe irritated skin. Eye and conjunctivitis. Chamomile can be used to soothe eye irritation or conjunctivitis. By immersing a compress in chamomile infusion and applying it to the eye, you can benefit from its anti-inflammatory and soothing effects. When using chamomile for any of these purposes, it's essential to brew the tea properly to preserve its active compounds. Steeping the chamomile with a lid on helps retain these beneficial constituents, so you get the most out of the herb. While chamomile is generally safe, some individuals may be allergic to it, so it's a good idea to do a patch test or consult a healthcare professional if you have concerns. Additionally, if you have a specific medical condition or are pregnant or nursing, it's wise to seek medical advice before using chamomile as a treatment. Thank you for subscribing to my channel.